that V4 looks so good, bro. Yeah, I don't even know what we're doing for this video. I'm just riding around. It's good weather, nothing going on, so take the big boys out. I think he's gonna let me rip the V4 today too, so I'm excited. I've ridden it like a tiny bit, but I haven't like actually like ridden it, so. Oh, this road sucks, bro. Oh. Now we both got our cameras too, so try to get some Instagram clout shots while we're out here, you know. Gotta make a living. I can't breathe. It's hot. What's up? I didn't know this was going on. That would have been a cool spot though. Okay. Can we just ride around till we find something cool and just stop? You sure? Yeah, Bully MX. Show him what's up.
I've never been there, so I don't know.
Me neither. It might be cool. Or we can try up here or something, I don't care. This is a super nice lady. Saw this spot, I wanted to get some photos. Had to go ask her for permission though. Yeah, she was super nice, dude. I don't know where, but I think just like this whole backdrop of the sun just looks so good. Okay, come over to this side over here. Just push that, see that white part? Yeah. Just push that downwards until it starts.
Push down, strong.
Yep, with your thumb, there you go. Hold it down. Yeah. You give it a little, twist it a little bit. Watch here. Twist that a little bit. Like it, bro? Go. Just twist it a little bit. It's fun. No problem. You're welcome. He's gonna go shop for bikes now, yeah? No problem at all. Have a great day. Gang. Lamborghini.
Whoa.
Is it?
Yeah, dude, that bike comes like this. This bike like up and this.
Be nice to her. Let's go that way. Oh, Mr. V4. What's going on? Alright, boys. Well, I'm on a V4. Well, boys, we're on Max's V4. I don't know, man. This thing feels like, it feels super similar to the R1. It's kind of weird. Like, obviously it's different, but it feels kind of, it's a little bit warmer. Got the leg warmer turned on high, though. The thing's hot. Yeah. And hear the R1 back there. It sounds so good. It's my baby. Let's go. All right. Getting used to it though. It's like kind of like my first ride on it though, so I'm taking it a little bit easy. But now it feels good. That thing's killer, bro. I like it. That's good. Whew. love that bike. This thing get my legs so warm, bro. I've never ridden a Ducati this long, but it does get warm. Quick shifter, smooth, dude. Am I turning into a Ducati guy right now? Nah, I'm an R1 guy. So weird seeing someone else ride your bike, though. This thing feels so good, bro. What the hell? Oh, I missed you, baby. If you guys are ever practicing like clutching up on a bike, no matter what bike it is, like a Grom, Supermoto, leader bike, whatever it is, just a really good practice is just touch your rear brake a couple times before you do it. Every single time. Like, it sounds like overkill, but every time before you practice a clutch up, just give your brake a couple taps, make sure you know it's there. You're not gonna miss it when you need it. That's the key. That'll engrave it in your brain. That is the only, like, one thing stopping you from looping is your rear brake. Like, when I got on his V4 just barely, as we were riding, I was like just trying to stop with like only the rear brake, getting a feel for it, how much power the brake has, before I even tried clutching up, because I haven't really ridden that bike very much. But no, rear brake is everything, bro. Hey, yeah, dude.